Today I'm going to be reviewing this JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker. It has a two-way speaker and it also has up to 12 hours of playtime, and it's in a color black. We purchased this a while ago and we've been loving it and using it on a regular basis, and it's really, apart from being stylish and having this handy little strap, it just gives you so much playtime. If you like, you can play on one single charge, you can play up to 12 hours. Charges up with a USB-C at the back, and again it's very sleek, nothing really sticking out. Even the buttons are nicely integrated, and I have to say that we've taken this out on the beach and we never had any issues. This is waterproof and dust proof as well, and it's very well made, and great sound quality as well, which is obviously the most important thing. So it's definitely a thumbs up from us.